Our planet is heating up at an alarming rate. It's happening all around us, faster than ever before, and the signs are becoming impossible to ignore. Scientists call it global warming, and it's a big problem that affects every corner of the globe. The Earth's temperature is rising because of harmful gases trapping heat from the sun, creating a greenhouse effect. This trapped heat is changing our climate in dangerous and unpredictable ways, leading to more frequent and severe weather events. We see the evidence everywhere: melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events like wildfires and hurricanes. Global warming isn't just a problem for the future, it's impacting us right now. It's affecting our weather patterns, our food supply, and our water resources, making it harder for people and wildlife to survive. We need to act now to protect our planet for future generations. By reducing emissions and embracing renewable energy, we can make a difference. One of the biggest contributors to global warming is deforestation. Trees are essential for a healthy planet. They absorb carbon dioxide, a harmful greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere. When we cut down forests, we release that carbon dioxide back into the air. Deforestation happens for many reasons, including logging, agriculture, and mining. Vast areas of forests are cleared for cattle ranching or to grow crops like palm oil. This destruction is pushing many species toward extinction and disrupting delicate ecosystems. Our planet needs its forests to survive. Deforestation doesn't just affect the air. It impacts our water too. Trees act like giant sponges, absorbing rainfall and slowly releasing it into rivers and streams. Without trees, the rain has nowhere to go. It rushes across the land, eroding soil and causing devastating floods. These floods are becoming more frequent and severe in many parts of the world. They destroy homes, crops, and livelihoods. They displace communities and spread waterborne diseases. The loss of forests is making us more vulnerable to the destructive power of water. Section 4. A world out of balance. Our world is facing an unprecedented environmental crisis. Deforestation is a major driver of climate change, but it's not the only one. Forests, which act as the lungs of our planet, are being cut down at an alarming rate. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas releases enormous amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This not only contributes to global warming, but also leads to severe air pollution. These fuels power our cars, factories, and homes, but they come at a high cost to the planet. Industrial activities release toxic pollutants that harm both human health and the environment. Our dependence on fossil fuels is disrupting the Earth's natural balance. The delicate ecosystems that sustain life are being thrown into chaos. We need to transition to cleaner and more sustainable sources of energy. This shift is not just an option, it's a necessity for our survival. Solar, wind, and hydropower offer viable alternatives that can reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the effects of climate change. Embracing these technologies can lead us to a more sustainable and balanced world. Section 5. A call to action. The effects of global warming are real, and they're happening now. We see it in the melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and increasingly severe weather patterns. We are at a critical juncture, and the time to act is now. The window for meaningful change is closing rapidly, and our actions today will determine the future of our planet. We must demand action from our leaders to transition away from fossil fuels and invest in renewable energy sources. This includes solar, wind, and other sustainable options that can power our world without harming it. Each one of us can make a difference. Simple changes in our daily lives can collectively have a massive impact. We can reduce our carbon footprint by conserving energy, using public transportation, and adopting a more sustainable lifestyle. This means recycling, reducing waste, and supporting eco-friendly products and companies. We can support organizations fighting to protect our forests and combat climate change. These groups work tirelessly to preserve our natural resources and advocate for policies that protect the environment. The future of our planet depends on our actions today. By making conscious choices and advocating for change, we can ensure a healthier, more sustainable world for future generations.